Color TV. Color TV machiegni pacho ma e odwa.
Misawa kamoro maintiere janeno mar Color TV odiochieng' mogik dwe ni mar adek kata tarik 31 dwe mar adek higa 2020 to kod auchiel chieng' tich ariyo machiegni weche manyien e kidieny mar dier odiochieng' nyinga Joash Odhiambo mitugole e kinde ma jaloko maro en migosi David Abila ka weche gi ekibine nyalo luwo achiel kachiel ka okalo mbui magwa mag tudruok manindo Color TV live e Facebook X @Color TV kaachiel kod YouTube bende Color TV Kenya. Wachako bure Nairobi kamoro ni joala mathoth e chiro nendo magikomba koro gi kine ni kwano lal miwuoro maiden bang' mug kuonde gigo mag timo ohala bang' ndalo maromo 14 mabende koro ne ogol negi kod tend county nendo ma Nairobi rumo otieno ma piny oruoro kawuono ni tend county onogo ma Nairobi omolo kendo muko kuonde gi mag timo ohala gi mwandu bende duto mantiere e kinde nendo makoro gi nyiso jatend piny Kenya moluor William Samoei Ruto mar mondo miyo yie bende koro ne ni ogedo ka giyango ni jatend piny osetimo muko mopogore to pok gineno ber moro amora. Giyango ni ogidhi ng'eyo kanye ma bende koro gidhi chako godo ka giyango bende ni kama ne omigi mar timo ohala en manindo matin malich mokalo ma bende ok ginyal romo.
Nilikuja hapa saa 10. Sema kweli nilikuja saa 10 hapa nikapata soko imeanguka yote. Na sisi kama vijana hii ndio soko inatulea. Naona. Mimi niko na duka buruburu ya Meritiano sneakers. Mimi nachukua viatu pea mingi sana hapa. Hapa serikali tuangalia sisi mavijana. Unajua mavijana wengi ndio wanachukua viatu kwa kiuza mtaani, unaona? Serikali tuangalie. Mimi tangu asubuhi hii ndio nimepata. Mwesh. Unaona? Afadhali serikali tuangalie.
Naitwa George Ochieng. Sisi ni wafanyikazi wa hapa Kikomba na Kenya tungependa kusema Ruto amebomoa ya kutosha. Ingekuwa tumepewa sasa tungekuwa tumeenda. Na Ruto amebomoa ya kutosha. Kikomba ni 16 acres. Anatupatiaje ya quarter acres? Anatupatia quarter acres tuende wapi? Sasa tunasema hivi, Ruto amebomoa ya kutosha. Vijana wamechoka, wamama wamechoka, watu wanahangaika.
Wadonjo weche gi mag siasa ne jotelo kanyendo masiro piny owacho mamanywanda kata mar broadcaster mawuok e imbo mar piny Kenya kata Western koro wuok oko kendo yango sir margi ne jatend piny Kenya moluor William Samoei Ruto ka gisingo mar biro neno ni ochako yiere kendo e tielo mar ariyo e yiero ma higa manyien mar 2027 ka otelnegi kod spika od bura mamalo Moses Masika Wetangula kaachiel kod jotelo mamoko moting'o Nabi Nabwera kaachiel kod Wangwe ma olose kaunti nogo ma Kakamega giyango ni jatend piny Kenya moluor William Samoei Ruto osechwalo chenro mag dongruoge mathoth ma inene e gwenge ma kono kuom mano gisire lwedo e yiero nendo mabiro kama jotelo go eko bende oyango ni bang' ka jatend piny osewuok e telo bende koro gibiro siro lwedo kanyendo Moses Masika Wetangula mar mondo mien bende ota piny Kenya.
Najua Mungu ako na sababu kwamba kiongozi wa taifa ametoka ng'ambo hiyo. Na pia kuna sababu ingine Mungu anataka kiongozi pia atoke ng'ambo hii. Nataka mzoe kwamba hii urafiki tuko na nyinyi isije ikawa urafiki ya 2 term peke yake. Nataka iendelee ipite 2 term, na kwa sababu mheshimiwa ameleta maendeleo, hiyo ndio inafanya mnasema 2 term. Ni 2 term ama sio 2 term? Mheshimiwa wenu ni mtu anapenda mambo ya maendeleo. Elimu haiwezi kwenda mbele na barabara mzuri kama hakuna kiongozi mbunge ako na akili ya kusimamia mambo ya elimu.
Sisi watu ya Mlembe tunamezea hiyo kiti namba 2 mate. Hata huyo ametosha jamani. Kila mtu avute kamba akirudisha kwake. Sisi tulisema kama chama cha ODM tunaenda kwa kura ijayo 2027 tukiwa na muungano na UDA. Sasa mimi hapa, mimi ndio representative ya broad base. Mkiniona, meona. Hiyo mzia wangu wote ni watu ya broad base. Na wacha niwaambie, kama uko hapa na hutaki kuingia broad base, mimi nitapita na wewe. Nitapita na wewe. Because hii watu ya Lugari wanataka magorofa, si ndio? Wanataka lami, si ndio?
Rais wa Jamhuri ya Kenya ni mmoja, Mheshimiwa William Ruto. Na akawaomba mpigie Ruto. Mumesahau ama bado tuko hapo? Nataka nione wale bado tuko nao kwa Mheshimiwa Ruto. Tingiza vidole, tingiza. Basi, mshikilie huo mwelekeo na mjue kwamba Papa wa Roma yuko hapo. Ukipigia nabii, upigia rais, bila shaka umesupport Papa wa Roma Mheshimiwa Moses Masika Wetangula. Mutasahau Wetangula?
Kwa sababu ukiwa kiongozi, hiyo si kazi yako, ni kazi ya wananchi. We are public trustees carrying responsibility for you. Na hakuna mwananchi anatupigia kura kututuma kutukana na watu. Ndio tunaambia wale wa kabila ambao kila wakati, nimesikia mmoja akisema huko Nairobi, hizi shule za national ziko kwetu, hatutaki watoto kutoka area zingine. Those schools were built by national resources from everywhere, including hapa Western. Sasa tuna haki watoto wetu kwenda Alliance, kwenda Mangu, kwenda shule hizo zote. Vile watoto kutoka kule wanakuja kusoma Kamsinga, wanasoma Chavakali, watasoma hapa Chekalini, wanasema Lugulu, watasoma shule zetu upande huu. That is how to build Kenya. Ndio tunawarai na kuwaomba wenzetu, tafadhali wachana na siasa ya ukabila. Rais Ruto ile kazi anatufanyia hapa, vile anajenga dual carriage hapa, ameweka bilioni 100 kupanua barabara salami kule Northeastern yenye imesahaulika. Ameweka pesa kupanua roads in Central Kenya. Ameweka pesa kupanua roads in Nyanza. Ameweka pesa kupanua roads Coast Region. Ameweka pesa kule Turkana. Hata barabara kutoka hapa Eldoret paka Kitale, paka Kapenguria, paka Turkana. Wameweka 18 billion ya aid.
Kapodon mane yimbo mar piny Kenya kata Western kono endo en ni aputa kata komiti mabende neno ni okete tim report nogo mar NADCO no mole kaunti nogo ma Bungoma kama gisingo mar biro neno ni tijgi maduong' en neno ni piny owacho ochwalo chenro mag dongruoge ne oganda kod neno ni weche duto mantiere report mar NADCO koro okete tim giyango kanyendo ni ging'iyo kaka counties osebedo ka koro tiyo kod omenda magi kata chwalo chenro mag dongruoge kendo dongruoge eko mapod okwamo nyaka gi kinde niende gin mago eko ma ineno ni koro otieki kapok ochopo yiero mabiro. Giyango ni chenro duto mantiere report nogo mar NADCO gidhi neno ni okete tim kapok ochopo yiero nogo, kendo gijiwo ni winjruok e kind ODM kaachiel kod UDA osemiyo chenro mag dongruoge mopogore opogore jatend piny Kenya kata piny owacho mamalo chwalo ne ogande kod gwenge duto maonge dok chien.
We've had a very candid discussion, and I want to appreciate that they are going to take our feedback. And one of the issues which we have strongly raised is the issue of unfinished projects in our county. And we are praying that going forward, we need these projects to be completed so that before we do other new projects, we want to make sure we complete these other projects. And we are praying that we want to see the progress of this implementation, because that is what the people are waiting to see.
They have urged us to ensure that the national government gets to put more funds to fast-track the implementation of the various projects that are lined up for implementation. The broad-based government, under the leadership of His Excellency President William Ruto, is going and is committed to ensure that those projects are implemented. His Excellency, High Excellency, the Deputy Governor, the Honorable Speaker, have also urged that the President and Honorable Dr. Oburu Oginga should ensure that within the period of the subsistence of the broad-based government, the various projects that have been lined up for implementation are implemented in good time.
Prior to find the cooperation agreement between both the arms of government at the county level. And so I want to urge Bungoma County that you should continue with the same spirit, because Agenda 3 of the 10-point agenda was about protecting and strengthening devolution. And devolution cannot be strengthened if both arms of government at the county level are at loggerheads. And so this is a success story for us. I think we need to urge other counties to adopt it. It is good for harmonious working relationship whenever it comes to service delivery for our common people on the ground. One of the things we are doing is to get honest feedback from Kenyans or from our officers from wherever they are. Because part of the reasons why we exist is to ensure that the needs and aspirations of our people, especially leaders who work together for the common good.
Jotelo mowuok e kaunti onogo ma Kilifi koro wuok tung' mosuo da Speaker od buch Senator Mwanenda Mason Jeff Kingi kaachiel koda jakanyo e aput kata komiti onogo mar piny Thur Kaindi Mikai Aisha Jumwa magayango ni koro thiro chenro go eko mag dongruoge makadho wadhi nam chumbi kaachiel bende koda ketho winjruok e kind piny owacho mamalo kaachiel koda mag counties ka otelnegi koda gavana e kaunti ma Kilifi Gideon Mung'aro mabendo twak e kinde makoro ne gisidho kanyendo migosi Okech kaka jakoma kata ogai mar Uganda Luo mabendo odak e kaunti onogo ma Kilifi giyango ni winjruok mane nitiere kinde jatend piny Kenya William Samoei Ruto kod mosenindo Raila Odinga ne en manindo mar neno ni chenro mag dongruoge obedo kare kendo winjruok makare obedo e kind piny owacho mamalo kod mago eko mag counties mag yango ni koro gi e kinde ni endi jotelo ariyo go eko dwaro mar mondo mi okethi ka gisingo mar chung' motegno e piny owacho ma manywanda kata broad based.
Sisi tuko katika broad base na sisi hapa tunashirikiana. Ndio maana tukikaa hapa hii Kilifi North, mbunge wa Kilifi North hako chama gani? UDS, ndio? Si Mheshimiwa Wendani. Na tunamuunga mkono kwa sababu anafanya kazi na hako broad based government.
We will fail Baba miserably if some forces will stand on our back and divide us. Baba left us united, and we must always be united for the better of our generation and the generations to come. Na hiyo ndio maneno ya William Samoei Ruto. Yeye ndiye kiongozi wa UDA, lakini ni kiongozi pia wa broad base. Mimi kama kijana wake ndani ya serikali yake, ile anasema mimi ndio ninafuata.
Kawadhi kaunti nendo Nakuru wero ne jonyuol kaachiel koda nyuola mar japuonjre Faiz Faraja mabende koro nyocha nowito ngimane juma mokalo e sikul endo mag Gilgil Hills koro dwaro ratiro ka giyango ni nyathino endo ne ok otho e nendo makare e kaluwore koda jaod bura makona endo Mikai Martha Wangari ne ochuno mar mondo mi koro gimole tesendo bila en kaachiel koda MCA makona endo Rosa Njoroge mabende koro yango ni anyuola dwaro ng'eyo kaka nyathino endo ne otho bang' lipot mar bero manotim juma mokalo ne yango ni ne owito kanyendo ngimane ok ne owito ngimane kaluwore kanyendo kod pi ma biro banga koro ne oyude kar pidho rech kata fish pond manindo mantiere sikul onogo. Apisas mag obila oyango ni gitimo nondo kendo nyaka sani onge ng'ato ang'ata mabende gisendiyo ka ginendo maduong' girito mar mondo mi jonyuol nyathino kaachiel kod jatend sikul onogo ondik dhoge ka jaod bura nendo singo mar biro luwo wach onogo kendo neno ni koro chopo kare kendo jonyuol nyathino oyudo ratiro. Wach mabende osir koda jonyuol mamoko ma oyango ni tho nyathino koro buogogi kendo gidwaro ng'eyo ka sama ne odonjo e sikul kod sama masira ma kamano ende notimore kod giko mabende koro ne owito ngimane.
Kuwa hapa ni police station ya Gilgil na tumekuwa hapa kwa mambo ambayo si mambo rahisi, ni mambo tulianzana nayo juzi. Sababu mtoto mmoja wetu aliweza kufariki kule shule ya Gilgil Hills Schools, na kukakuwa na maswali mengi ambayo haijaweza kujibiwa, na tukaomba kwamba uchunguzi uweze kufunguliwa na investigation ifanywe. Na maswali ambayo yamekuwa yakiulizwa na jamii ni maswali ambayo kwa haki yanafaa kujibiwa. Mtoto alikuwa vipi? Aliweza kuongeleshwa na mwalimu mgani? The head of institution amesema nini? Kama ni maji hasa ilifanya akufe, imeweza kuidhinishwa na pathologist, lakini pia tupewe investigation mahali imefika. Tumeweza kuongelesha hospitali. Hayo ndo maswali ambayo tumekuwa tukiuliza, lakini pia kuna officers ambao tayari hata mwingine amepita hapa na anasema watashika wengine 20, na tunawaambia sisi hatuwaogopi. Na kazi ya bunge ambao wanasema tukafanye, hii ni baadhi ya kazi ambazo tumepewa kufanya, kuwakilisha wananchi na kuwatetea. Kwanza hilo jambo tumeiweza kuescalate, nao vijana wawachiliwe, sababu hakuna kesi ambayo wanaenda kushtakiwa. Wawachiliwe ndio tuweze kuhakikisha kwamba jambo hili limepitia mkondo ambao unafaa. Tunataka tujue walimu wameongea, mlinda lango wameongea, yule watchman alikuwa hapo. Tunataka tujue mtoto alitolewa saa ngapi, alitolewa na nani, alitolewa na wapi, alifika hospitali akiwa hali gani, na alipofika hospitali alichukuliwa hatua gani. Hao watu wote, hiyo laini yote, tunataka hizo statements zikuwe on record ndio hiyo kesi iweze kuanzishwa rasmi.
Tutafanya kazi na police service. Tunasikitika. Hata sisi hatungependa ya kwamba shule ambayo ni mahali wangetuchungia watoto iwe ni mahali ambayo watoto wanakufa. So sisi kama NPS tunataka kujua ya kwamba kama kuna makosa ilitokea pale shule, lazima tuhakikishe ya kwamba wenye walihusika lazima watashtakiwa. Lakini kwa sasa bado tunaendelea na uchunguzi, hatujamaliza, na ikiwa tutamaliza tutawaeleza our findings na yale yote ambayo itahitajika kulingana na wale watu ambao hawatakuwa wametosheka. Lakini kwa sasa hatujaweza kushtaki ama kushika mtu wowote, kwa sababu kwanza wazazi wajaandika statement. Na unaposhika mtu lazima pia upate statement kutoka kwa wazazi. In fact, that is the beginning point ya kwamba lazima wazazi waandike statement. Then from there kuna ile statement zingine ambayo itajenga hii kesi mpaka wakati tutajua ni nani alihusika kwa ukweli.
Kwa sababu ya kumpoteza mtoto wetu Faiz na kwa njia ambayo ni tatanishi, na nilipokuwa nikiongea na wazazi, haja yao mno kabisa ni kujua kiini ama sababu ya kifo cha mtoto wao, na kama wangalijua hiyo siku hatungekuwa tumefika hapa. So wazazi wanaamini kwamba kuna kitu ambacho kimefichwa sababu ya kifo cha huyu mtoto. Kwa hivyo mimi ningeomba tu serikali ichukulie hatua na iweze kufanya uchunguzi wa kutosha ili pia wazazi waweze kuridhika.
Kama chile ni duolo nogo mochung'ne kedo gi yedhe mamero je pacho kainde na kada koro singo mar biro medo rakore koda jogo kama uso yedhe makamago bang' yangore ni koro jousi yedhe obiro koda yore mamoko mabende giuso godo yedhe mar mondo mi kik koro ndege kalore kanyendo koda jakom mar Nakada manindo Stephen Makori motwake kaunti nogo manandi boma manindo ma Kapsabet oyango ni giseyudo yore machalo kamago kendo gidhi medo rakore koda jogo mauso yedhe mamero ji pacho kainde. Koroka kore jata tije maduong' mar Nakada manindo Benjamin Kuto oyango kanyendo ni giseka bang' fwenyo yore machalo kamago gikwayo riwruoge mopogore opogore mar mondo mi sirgi lwedo eng'ulwenyno endo mar kedo koda yedhe mamero ji.
Most recently, we've seen that the people who are supplying these drugs are devising new forms. They are sometimes using cakes and they lace them with drugs and sell them to schools. And many others, even others are using some, they sell them as sodas and in form of saying they are fruit juice or things like that. We're following that very closely, but we are also educating. Our teams are going to the universities to educate them and show them the forms of these drugs and how they are being brought to them. But as I had said earlier, we are on very high alert, particularly in schools. And if we find anyone selling cakes or all these things and then lacing them with drugs, they will be held very responsible. Currently, we have says here, we will seize all the, if they are using a vehicle or anything, that will be government property. And we'll look into the accounts of those people and they'll be frozen. So the government is taking very, very serious steps to make sure that those who are in this business cannot continue doing it.
This practice is so bad, especially in the whole country and also parts of Nandi. So we are going to follow the steps that the chairman has given you before about the issues of seizure, the issues of, all those properties belonging to those drug dealers. And this is a good measure because if all the suppliers, the main problem is supplying. If all the suppliers can be cut off, even these people who are going to use the drugs, the students and all the others, it will be minimal. So we urge the government to support and all the stakeholders, because this is a collective responsibility. This is not an issue only of NACADA, as our chairman has said. It is an issue that cuts across the churches, the bishops, and all the groups, even the police and all the members of the society. Because if we're going to fight this thing as an individual or as an NACADA team alone, we shall not succeed. So we urge all the members that we are going to let us try to help each other so that these people can be comprehended and taken to court, because it is a very serious matter.
Janero mara yena marmoro wakayo ye mokwongo waduogo banki ne machoka kumane ndo mede manakete Kala TV nikech ma odwa.
Get ready to elevate your business and any other commercials when you advertise with us. We are not just a channel. We are your gateway to the peak, for we give you the precision and desire to your commercials. Let us be your partner in success, broadcasting your message to thousands of our viewers. Contact Kala TV today and let's make the magic together.
Komuch to wan kode duoko mag tuke mopogore opogore, jotugo motimogi, kuonde mag timogie, to gin tuke magi mabiro. Mano emomiyo wan ka e chenro mar chal pewe, tudri kodwa wuok tich nyaka tich abich, saa 11 mar midhiambo nyaka saa 12 mar midhiambo. Kama wanyisi motimore e pewe duto mana e Kala TV.
Bedo kod odiochieng' marabora e sikunde ka iduogo pacho, yud thuolo mar kweyo pachi kendo bedo gi mor e chenro mar Bang School. Chenro mar Bang School chakore saa 10:30 ma midhiambo nyaka saa 11 ma midhiambo. Kama inene katun mamori, ipuonjori weche mathoth, ibedo kod mor gi nyiero motimo Cathedral. Kik bai, Bang School, chenro manigi mor lilo ne nyithindo duto. Kala TV, machiegni pacho ma e odwa.
I've fallen and I can't get up.
Machiegni kendo Edward Busiasa nendo mar UPA oyango ni gidhibedo kod jochung' e lemo mopogore opogore mak mana nendo mar jatend piny Kenya magidhi siro jalup Ogai Edward Busiasa mar Jubilee Laktar Fred Okengo Matiang'i ka otelnegi kod Amos Nyaribo mane gavana e kaunti onogo ma Nyamira giyango kanyendo ni lemo kochakore mar MCA, jaod bura, seneta, gavana, gin mago duto mabende koro gidhibedo kanyendo kod jochung' kabende gisingo ni ngang' Edward Busiasa nendo gibiyie mar mondo mi muonygi e yo mora mora kata obedo ni koro gisiro Matiang'i manendo mar Jubilee. Gihango ni gichung' kar kendgi kendo gintiere kanyendo koda kwan mag oganda goeko mathoth mabende twak mag duond buche siasa nyaka koro gibedie koda duol.
Na pati yoyote. Nasikia nirudie. UPA ni pati ya nguvu na iko independent, compliant, na hatuwezi meshwa na pati yoyote. Hata akiwa ni Matiang'i, hata akiwa ni Ruto, kama pati imedecide mwelekeo, hapo ndio tutaingia. Lakini naona watu wengi vile nawaona hivi wanajua mwelekeo tu.
Kwa siku ya leo tumekuwa na meeting ya Gusii region ya officials, coordinators na wale walikuwa elected and nominated under chama ya UPA. Kwa siku ya leo chama wote wenye mnaangalia wamesema kuwa presidential candidate wao anaitwa Dr. Fred Okengo Matiang'i. Ndio kitu ya kwanza wamesema. Kitu ya pili wakasema hii chama ya UPA ambayo ilianza katika ule uchaguzi ulioisha 2021-2022 kama esega ya Omogusi, kama chama cha Wanakisii. Hii chama haitamezwa na chama yeyote.
We want to remind you that UPA is existing and it has got a share in a type of negotiation. Be it that our presidential candidate, Dr. Fred Matiang'i, is vying from our sister Jubilee. We want to say that UPA will not be swallowed with the Jubilee. We'll be
Moko kuom jopiny mowuok e yimbo mar piny Kenya kata Western koro wuok oko kendo yango sir margi ene migosi Eliud Owalo lemo nendo mar tend piny Kenya bang' ka nyocha nowuok oko kendo yango ni koro dhi laro lemo machalo kamano ende yiero ma higa manyien mar 2027 ka gitwage kaunti nogo ma Vihiga giyango ni Eliud Owalo kende mosewuok oko kendo pedho lek mare kata manifesto mabende koro dhi konyo oganda mapacho kende neno ni gwenge duto oyudo kanyendo chiendo mag dongruoge maromre ka achiel bedo koda konyo counties neno ni dongruogo medo bedo machiegni koda jopiny gisingo mar biro chung' kode e yiero machalo kamano ka gikwayo oganda mawuok e gwenge mopogore opogore bende mar mondo mi owuog oko kendo sir Eliud Owalo magiyango ni makoro nyalo reso piny Kenya.
As friends of Eliud Owalo Vihiga chapter, we endorse Eliud Owalo's candidature. We do so with clarity. We are not merely endorsing a person. We are aligning with a value proposition that speaks directly to the realities of Vihiga County and the wider Kenyan desire for competent, transparent, and delivery-driven leadership. We stand with Eliud Owalo because his call is not simply about changing faces and continuing with politics as usual. It is a strategy to change systems so that prosperity is produced and shared in a framework that focuses on retaining maximum wealth within local communities to create equitable wealth and distribution. We conclude by reaffirming our support and embracing Kenya's third liberation moment to be led by Eliud Owalo as Kenya's next Chief Executive Officer, the President. About the voter registration, we are all saying tuko kadi, and we started it last week. We are telling our youth to get out and make sure that no one is left out without having a card.
Ningependa kuambia Wakenya, sasa tumefunguka macho, wacha tuone mahali penye tutapata mwenendo mzuri ama ile direction mzuri yenye Wakenya watafurahia. Ndio maana tuko hapa Vihiga, tunajua tukisemezana outcome itatoka mzuri. Ndio sababu tuko hapa kusimama na Team Owalo. Tukisema liwe liwalo ni Owalo.
Yena marmoro ya make gi kanyende kidieni ndi mar diero odiochieng' kata kamanindo watude kidienyo nogo mar podho chieng' manindo saa 10 bibiro yudo thuond weche mabende wamedo luwo ni odiochieng' ndi makawuono. Erokamano kuom ne bedo koda chakruok nyaka giko. Jinga Joash Odhiambo Mitula ka jaloko marwa en migosi David Abila Oriti Masani.